are all the originated by host to get the descriptors from the device, so that the host can configure the device according to the transaction. So now in wire adapters also we are going to have some request. So we are going to see about those requests. First, the as I already told you, the requests are used by host to get the descriptors and configure the device. Okay, and requests here classified as host to adapter specific request and device to adapter specific request, and third, wire adapter class specific request. Class specific requests, host to adapter request, and device to adapter request. So in under the requests we'll have so many get requests and so many set requests and so many clear, add requests, and remove, reset request. For example, get requests are rpipe descriptor, get rpipe status request, get wire adapter status request, get backend period start time backend and wireless USB time, backend period adjustment time, like that. We will have some get requests, and under the set also we'll have so many set requests and clear, add request, remove request. In this slide we are having the information about wire adapter class specific request. These are all the requests specific, class specific. And one more thing, if you note this box, that we are having the same structure what we have seen in USB for request. Same request, bitmap, request type, request, w value, w index, w length, data. All these fields are present in wireless USB request also. Under that we are having a pod or pipe, clear or pipe feature, clear wire adapter feature, get or pipe descriptor, like that. We have so many requests. The second request types are host to adapter specific request. What are all the host to wire adapter specific request? Add mmc IE, get BPST adjustment, BPST, backend period start time adjustment, and get BPST time, WSB time, remove mmcie. So these are all some examples for host to adapter specific request. Some more: set group key, set number device notification slots, set wireless USB cluster ID, set wireless USB media access slots. So these are all requests for host to adapter. The third thing is device to adapter specific request. As like host to adapter, device to adapter also having some request. The examples for the device to adapter specific requests are clear port feature, get port feature, get port status, get port feature. So all these things are examples for device to adapter specific request. It's also having the same packet format like a request type, request, w value, w index, w length, and then date. So in this slide we can see some host to adapter specific request. For example, in USB we have seen device descriptors. Here also we are having the same thing, which will have the information about vendor ID, product ID, manufacturer number, everything. And in USB we have configuration descriptors. Here also we have that one, and notification endpoint descriptor, wire adapter class descriptor, security descriptors, data transfer read or write descriptor, and wire adapter or pipe descriptor. For example, in this descriptor it will tell the packet sizes, pipe index, file rate, transfer type, retry options, everything. It will be inside this descriptor. So once the host read all these things, it will configure this wire adapter according to these features. So next, device wire adapter descriptors. These are all the descriptors which are specific to device adapter. For example, here also we have configuration descriptors and device descriptors, endpoint descriptors, data transfer interface descriptors, and since it is an wire adapter, it should have wire adapter class descriptor. In that only it will tell the number of downstream ports, number of OR pipes it can support, everything. Okay, and here three more important descriptors are there. First one is BOS descriptors, binary search system descriptors, and second is companion descriptors. The companion descriptors will have so many companion descriptors. For example, data transfer read companion descriptor, data transfer write companion descriptor, notification endpoint companion descriptor. Like that, we have so many companion descriptors. If you look at what these companion descriptors have, means what kind of data this companion descriptors will have, means burst size, stream delay, over the air packet size, interval, so everything it will have. And if our device supports isochronous transfer, then we should have the separate isochronous streaming interface descriptor. Okay, so these three, what are all companion descriptor, interface streaming interface descriptor, BOS descriptor, these are all some more additional descriptors specific for device adapter. So far we have seen requests and descriptors.